Hello everyone, I'm Lena, and I created a new system for learning English. It has clear pronunciation, easy lessons, and simple practice so you can learn English more easily and more quickly. I hope this system helps you improve your speaking, reading, and listening skills. Thank you for joining me on this English learning journey. Today, I want to talk about learning English by listening. Listening is one of the best ways to learn English naturally. When you listen every day, your brain slowly understands new words, pronunciation, and sentences. You do not need to understand everything at first. Just listen again and again. Little by little, English becomes easier. You can listen to short stories, easy podcasts, English conversations. At first, choose easy audio for beginners. Listen for 10 or 15 minutes every day. Daily practice is more important. When you hear a new word, repeat it aloud. This helps your pronunciation become better. You can also pause the audio and copy the speaker's voice. This is called shadowing and is very useful for speaking practice. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Even native speakers learn by listening for many years when they are children. If you keep listening every day, your English speaking, listening, and vocabulary will improve naturally. Easy podcasts. I want to talk about easy podcasts for English learning. Here, you can enjoy simple English listening practice with clear pronunciation and easy topics. Listen every day and improve your English. Step by step. Podcasts are a great way to practice listening. You can listen anytime and anywhere. Easy podcasts use slow and clear English. This helps beginners understand better. You can listen while walking, resting, or studying. At first, you may not understand every word. That is normal. Keep listening every day. Little by little, your ears become familiar with English sounds. Podcasts also teach useful daily expressions and natural speaking. Try to repeat important sentences after the speaker. This improves pronunciation and speaking confidence. Choose podcasts for beginners with simple topics. Daily listening makes a big difference. Short stories. Here, you can listen to easy and interesting stories for beginners. These stories will help you learn new words and improve your listening naturally. Enjoy learning English with stories. Short stories are very helpful for beginners. They use simple words and easy sentences. When you read and listen to short stories, you learn new vocabulary naturally. Short stories also improve your pronunciation and listening skills. You can listen to the same story many times. First, just listen, then, listen again, and read the text together. This helps your brain understand English faster. Choose stories that are fun and easy. Do not choose very difficult stories at the beginning. Even 10 minutes every day can help you improve. Listening to short stories is simple, relaxing, and effective. English conversations. Now, I want to talk about English conversations. Listening to conversations is very useful for learning real English. You hear how people speak in daily life. You learn greetings, questions, answers, and common expressions. English conversations help you understand natural pronunciation and speaking rhythm. At first, listen to short and easy conversations. Do not worry if you miss some words. Listen again and repeat the sentences aloud. You can practice speaking by copying the conversation. This is a good way to improve fluency. Conversations about shopping, school, friends, and travel are great for beginners. Daily listening practice helps your speaking become more natural. The more conversations you hear, the more confident you become in English. Jenny is walking home from school one afternoon. The sky is cloudy and the wind is cold. As she walks near the park, she sees a small brown dog. The dog looks scared and hungry. Jenny slowly walks to the dog. "Hello, little dog," she says softly. The dog moves its tail but does not bark. Jenny looks around, but she cannot see the owner. She gives the dog some water from her bottle. The dog drinks the water quickly. "Oh, you are very thirsty," Jenny says. Jenny checks the dog's collar. There is a small phone number on it. Jenny calls the number with her phone. A man answers the call. "Hello?" the man says. Jenny says, "I found a small brown dog near the park." "Oh, that is my dog Max," the man says happily. I am coming now. Thank you so much." 10 minutes later, the man arrives at the park. Max runs quickly to the man. The man smiles and says, "Thank you, Jenny. Max is very important to me." Jenny smiles back. "I am happy Max is safe," she says. The man thanks Jenny again and takes Max home. Jenny continues walking home with a warm smile on her face. She feels proud because she helped a lost dog today. Now, we will listen to a short story about Tom's morning. Tom wakes up at 7 o'clock every morning. He gets out of bed and opens the window. The weather is cool and fresh. Tom feels happy First, he washes his face and brushes his teeth. Then, he goes to the kitchen. Tom makes tea and eggs for breakfast. He also eats bread and cheese. While eating breakfast, he listens to music. Soft music helps him relax. After breakfast, Tom gets dressed for work. He puts on a blue shirt and black shoes. Before leaving home, he talks to his cat, Mimi. "Goodbye, Mimi. Have a nice day," Tom says. Mimi looks at Tom and says, "Meow." Tom laughs and closes the door. Outside, the streets are busy. People are walking, driving, and talking. Tom walks to the bus stop. He sees his friend Jenny there. "Good morning, Jenny," Tom says. "Good morning, Tom," Jenny answers with a smile. The bus arrives a few minutes later. Tom and Jenny get on the bus together. They talk about work, food, and movies. Tom likes mornings because every day feels new and fresh. Thank you for listening to today's Easy Podcast. See you next time.